Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quesadillas recipe, easy method. Start by warming a skillet over medium heat and prepping your fillings. Grate your cheese and have cooked protein ready, like shredded chicken or beans. Keep fillings thin and evenly distributed to ensure quick melting and no soggy tortillas. Use a light brush of oil or butter on the tortilla edge to crisp it up while you fold and cook each side. Lay out your fillings and build simply to avoid overstuffing. Start with a base of cheese, then add a protein and a vegetable element for texture. Sprinkle spices lightly and taste as you go to keep flavors balanced. A small amount of acid like lime juice or a few cilantro leaves lifts the whole quesadilla. Remember that thinner layers melt better, so less is more when aiming for a melty, crispy finish. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes and tips. On another note, I love the Owala water bottle for staying hydrated while cooking or meal prepping. It keeps drinks cold and has a handy spout. It pairs perfectly with a kitchen session or picnic when you enjoy your quesadillas outdoors. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Place the assembled quesadilla in the heated skillet and cook until golden brown on the first side, about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip carefully and cook the other side until the cheese is fully melted and both sides are crisp. Use a spatula to press gently during cooking for even contact and melting. After cooking, let the quesadilla rest for a minute before cutting so the filling sets and slices cleanly without spilling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.